All right, guys, so we're going to be checking out the silicone grip case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and then also the black leather case for the Ultra. And I told you I do have the brown. If you saw my initial video, I've been using the brown for over a month now, I think probably. And it's been pretty good. It's wearing pretty tough on the corners, but I decided to buy the black one because the black one on my S22 Ultra, you can't really see those blemishes as much, obviously because it's black. But this case has held up pretty well over the year of having it. So we've seen a black leather case, but let's get to this one right here. I actually have this case for my Fold 4, and it's a good case. Also got it for the S23 Plus. Here it is. There, I've already shown you that one. So we're gonna go ahead and see how it is for the Ultra. And I got this white cream looking color. I know you're gonna say, oh Jay, that's gonna get dirty quick. I wanted something different. And I like the orange accents on it. So this is the way it comes to you in the packaging. And wow, that's definitely nice. I like this. So again, I've already shown you that this portion can come off and unsnap. This white looks very sleek, man. These do work with wireless charging. I've tested that for you. You can see the buttons and everything here. This is an overall soft touch silicone case with a strap on it. And it amazes me about the pricing for these, man. They are pricey. So you have that soft touch velvety feel in here, microfiber, to protect the back of your device. And we'll pop, oh, that slides in way too easy. That's beautiful. Let's see here. Yep. Oh man, this is so nice. So nice. As you can see here, you've got your camera modules deeply recessed. And someone asked me about those Rinky camera modules. Do they work with factory cases from the Samsung official cases? And the answer is yes. I've already tested them before, and they work perfectly fine. I don't have any on this new phone right here, but I will be buying some more. So you can see on the top here, you've got the cutoff for the microphone, your volume, power, and then all ports on the bottom here, and then smooth on this side. And you do have a little bit of lip protection as well. I'm currently using, I've installed it already, but I'm currently using the Samsung official screen protector. This one got damaged already. I've already dropped the front of it, so it's got marks all on it. And but I might not take it off just yet. But it is good to go. This is a very nice screen protector, very thick, and it is hard to come by. Apparently, there's $15 and you get 2 of them in there. But yeah, it'll play well with these if you just apply it correctly. But this strap here is, how you would navigate this. You can hold it like this. No matter which hand you're in, you're going to have a nice grip on your device. And again, you can adjust this strap from the inside if you decide that's what you want to do. But this color actually looks good from the front and on the sides. I don't think this is going to get dirty too fast, but I'll just have to keep it clean. You've got some Samsung branding right here, and then obviously you have the big Samsung S right here on this part of the case right here. So this is really nice. The orange accent is actually pretty cool. And again, this does work with wireless charging. You just have to sit it down straight on the device, and it will wireless charge. Now, obviously, I'm not too huge of a fan of wireless charging. It really doesn't matter to me with that, but you can sit it down flat this way as well, and it is going to be nice and protected. So let's cut open this leather case here, since I did go with the black one as well. Very nice. Yeah, the black looks good, man. The black looks really nice. Yeah, same as obviously the brown here. But the black won't show as much bruising because it's black. And here it is with my S22 leather case. What did I do with it that fast? Oh, here it is. This is the S22. You can see how it's worn over a year of having it. It definitely will stand the test of time. This is a very nice case. So let's go ahead and pop this one on. That blue is just beautiful. Black goes with everything. So this will probably be the one that I wear the most, if I'm being honest. It really conceals the color, and it just does well. Now, I will say this leather right here definitely feels a lot different than the camel for some reason. The camel might be a little bit more broken in because it is over about a month or so of use. This one right here, though, it still feels kind of hard right now, but I'm sure that'll break in just like this one did. Yeah, that's got to be, that's all it is. This one just isn't broken in yet, but I'm sure it will break in nicely. But same design, everything for the S22. It's just that the S23 Ultra is a boxy design on there. So, yeah, this is going to be an experience. But here it is, man. Here's both Samsung's cases. Wow. Let's see if I can get this. Man, this is real time. Like, how do you? Let's hope. There we go. Get it off as easy as possible. Man, that's on there pretty snug. I mean, I like that because I don't normally remove my cases a lot, but the official Samsung cases, the leather case and the silicone grip case, actually pretty nice, man. I actually really like this one. I think I might rock out with this one for a little bit. But it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And remember, I do have this installed. I'll probably do another video installing this. The first one that I installed on there, because this is a 2-pack for 15 bucks. So I'll do another install with this one, the last one in here. I just like to say this one isn't damaged too much. It's got a little bit, I dropped like a scissor or something on it, so it kind of scratched a little bit, but good thing the screen protector was on there because it does save it. So I'm hoping that the screen isn't damaged. You can see the little cut right there where it hit the screen, but I'm hoping that it's not damaged too bad, and I'll, more than likely change it out. But here is the Samsung screen protector that I got as well. So if you haven't seen the unboxing and first impressions of my Sky Blue S23 Ultra, check that out. But for now, these are some of the Samsung's official cases. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.